So on the internet there's loads of different ways of how to insulate your van using different materials. Through our research and doing other caddy, we found that this is the best materials to use and the best process. A lot of people use lofting wool, and I found that that can be quite bad because it holds moisture, so when you get condensation in the van, this goes into the lofting wool. It can then dribble all the way down to the bottom and it will rust out the bottom of your panels, and then it will also start to smell when it goes mouldy, and then actually if you're living in mould it can make you quite ill. So if you use recycled bottle plastic, this doesn't hold any moisture, so you're not going to have that issue. And then by creating the vapour barrier as well, you're stopping the condensation getting in. So the main aim of insulating is that you want to stay nice and warm in the winter and on those cold nights, but also try and keep the van cool in the summer. So you're using the recycled bottle plastic in the insulation to keep you nice and warm in the winter, and then using the thermo wrap to create a vapour barrier to stop condensation getting into your insulation and into your panels that causes rust, but also to reflect the heat in the summer. So what you want to do is use your sound deadening first to get rid of this tinny sound. Then you'll stuff the recycled bottle plastic inside all these panels and walls and as much as you can, and along the panels, aluminium tape to hold it on. And then once you've done that, you want to create a vapour barrier. So you want to cover all of that up with the vapour barrier, so pretty much stopping the condensation getting into those panels. So you create the whole van in the vapour barrier, which we did in the last video, but we're going to show you how to do it in this one. So first of all, we need to put our new flooring in because we haven't got any flooring here.